guys, good mornings and welcome to my channel. Check this out. Check the one that I invented. Check, this is a phone holder, but I put it at the back of the car, okay, so that we can use this one as a phone holder and CCTV while driving. Okay, so I'm here at the Al Bahia here in Abu Dhabi, so we're going home now. Check this out, check that car. Oh ho ho, it's the Ford Mustang, and the white over there is a Jaguar, and over here is the special and luxury Bentley. Wow, we have also Malibu there, Malibu and a Nissan Patrol, but this is the precious one, Bentley. Wow, it's like a Rolls Royce, guys. Okay, so let's go home now. Time to go home. We pop this one here, then it check it's working, okay, let's go home. God bless our safe trip. Let's go. Let's try if it can handle the phone. Okay, and we will see if it has a vibration like that or what.
You didn't have to see that rent check going out from your bank each and every month.
Let's listen to news.
Free of having to worry about rent. Thanks for all your messages coming in, and not only about birthdays but about vinyl. It's International Vinyl Day today, and Mark, thanks for your message. The first vinyl that I bought was a 7-inch single, Hot Love by T-Rex. That started a lifetime
Always remember,
of collecting
don't
music,
forget to wear
going
your
to concerts,
seatbelts.
and of course listening to great radio.
Have you seen
Thanks
that? It's
for
a
that, Mark.
Maserati.
And that's continued for 5 decades for you. We've got another one here. My first vinyl was Bat Out of Hell by Meat Love. Bought it around 1981, says Rob.
Listening to Dubai
And, Paul,
on
thanks for your
radio.
message. Vinyl first album was Caravanserai from Santana. Keelan coming in to 4001. Your first albums, your favourite albums. We're talking vinyl and we're talking birthdays today. Here's Chesney Hawks.
Pinoy talaga.
What's going on over there? Why is there a line? There are lots
Pakinggan,
of
listen to
Filipinos
this.
there.
I think there's a promo going on. The sign says free gravy.
Ooh, you told me about this. How Filipinos love gravy, especially when it's free.
Yes, I did.
Pinoy na talaga.
Pinoy nga talaga. This is a sunshade, sun visor, sunshade, whatever you call it. This is very important, guys. Especially here in the UAE. We have to put this one to protect our car, our dashboard, everything. Turn the radio off. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope this works. We will check it later and do some edit or what. So I'll take it now. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is the first time we try this one, so hopefully it will work. So see you soon. Don't forget to like, click the bell button all, and of course subscribe to my channel, please, and watch for my upcoming videos soon. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye.